train. There's the 2 trains. There it goes, Louisiana, Nashville. The moon, Louisiana, Nashville. Crazy, Louisiana, Nashville. No. I thought there was about to be a crash. I'm glad the trains didn't collide into each other. Okay? That's really fast. It's still crash. It's just trains riding the piece. It's 201. This is another one. Oh, it's all about. It's a cool one. It's a nice real one. And that's another tree. So come in. It's coming. It's on the bridge. This is done for Shrew. Let's see it. Let me show you this. This looks crazy though. Look at all these old L1 cars. Look at all this at the station. There's the special car. All these old L1. It looks real. Look at them. This look like real. They're real. They have the L1 522 right here. It's right there. This is Pensacola. L1 is an older L1. Because we have why is he climbing up the simple old water tower? Like it looks older. It looks older than the middle one. Look at all these towers. Look. I see another one right there. This is from old Milton. This looks like it's from the past. It looks like this is from 1950.
Well, that's how the train steam engines used to run off that water. All right, let's go, boo-boo.
You're leaving?
Yeah.
Can they just get just a few more films? Yeah. Okay, we that. Okay, we have the free photo. We have all that. And we got that, see? So bye-bye.